Most of the time, mobile data should operate without a hitch right out of the box. However, some Samsung Galaxy Note 10 customers have complained that the mobile data service is not working properly or at all on their handsets. If you're one of them, here's a quick guide for you to fix it. When it comes to fixing a device that has suddenly developed a problem for no apparent explanation or cause, the force restart is the first step. It's a simulated battery removal that might save you a lot of time and worry. This is due to the possibility that the issue is caused by a minor firmware bug or malfunction. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons together for around 10 seconds. When the logo appears on the screen, let go of both keys and wait for the phone to finish booting up until it reaches the lock screen. After your phone is properly rebooted, try connecting to the internet using mobile data to see whether it works this time. If it only receives 1 or 2 bars of signal, this might be why Galaxy Note 10 is unable to connect to the internet via mobile data. If this is the case, the issue is not with your phone, but with the location you are now in. As a result, it is a temporary issue that will be resolved if you relocate to an area with high reception or signal coverage. However, if your Galaxy Note 10 signal indicator shows that it is receiving strong reception, but you are unable to connect to the internet via mobile data, or if it is not operating at all, go to the next solution. Any service, feature, or function on your phone should be refreshed on a regular. It also goes without saying that depending on how long they've been up, they may fail from time to time. If you usually connect to the internet through cellular data, the problem might have happened because mobile data needs to be updated. If you've been using Wi-Fi for a while, you may have noticed that one of your phones or gadgets isn't connected while others are. That might be the situation here. If the force restart didn't help, this procedure will help. The next step is to reset the network settings. This will remove all wireless connections on your phone, but it will also refresh all network services and restore the APN settings to default. This is how you do it. Go to the Settings app, scroll to and tap General Management. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. When you're done, only mobile data will be enabled. So check to see if the problem has been resolved. When the system cache becomes damaged, various services including network services may be disrupted as a result. Connectivity problems may arise which might explain why you're experiencing this difficulty. To eliminate this risk, you must wipe the cache partition in order to destroy the old cache and replace it with a fresh one. This is how it's done. Before you begin, boot to recovery mode. Make sure to connect your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 to your computer using the USB-C cable that you use for charging. You can also use third-party USB cable if you no longer have the original cable. Turn off the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 via the power menu. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons for a few moments, then release the power button once the Samsung logo appears. Do not release the volume up button until the recovery screen is displayed. Once you're in recovery mode, let go of the volume at button, select Wipe Cache Partition by pressing power button. Select Yes. Allow several seconds for wipe partition to be complete. Select Reboot System. Now it allows several minutes for the reboot process to complete. If none of the troubleshooting solutions work, a reset will be required since the fault might be with the firmware. So make a backup of your vital files, delete your Google account from your phone, and then follow these steps to do a master reset. Before you begin to boot to recovery mode, make sure to connect your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 to your computer using the USB-C cable that you use for charging. You can also use third-party USB cable if you no longer have the original cable. Turn off the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 via the power menu. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons for a few seconds. Then release the power button once the Samsung logo appears. Do not release the volume up button until the recovery screen is displayed. Once you're in recovery mode, let go of the volume up button. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset by pressing the power button. Select Yes. Allow several seconds for the factory data reset to complete. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like and subscribe to our channel or share this video to your friends.